It's here again. Today, what is it? It's August 22nd, 2018, 10:42 a.m. East Coast time, where I'm at. This is live. It appears to be closer this time.
Is disappeared.
Disappeared. Hear that word? Get the volume up. We're gonna listen. Second time catching this. It's not a reflection of the earth. This is absolutely projected. In my opinion. Forget the absolutely. Okay, we have a light that came on here and here that had movement. So keep an eye on that.
Correct. Where are you from the com? Is it the pressurized adapter in
Yesterday's video, they talked about a filter and a projector.
I didn't quite space to ground com. Where does the extension go? Is it the pressurized adapter? No, it's I extended it from where from? Perka?
Station Houston, Space Ground 24T2.
Oh no, of course. It's pressurized adapter from there. You're joking. So you found the extension. The prompter.
It is indeed.
No, I took it from the
Hey, doing great. It's good to be
from the vehicle. So I connected. So I cannot speak
fix the power.
Okay, I will not distract you.
Turn on the emerald brick and verify that the LED is on, and then give us a read on the T2 data LED.
Okay, we'll do a standby for
MCC Moscow. Pressure is coming to 743, and I'm ready to complete it. Okay. Please do. Okay, I'll put it in.
It's happening different than yesterday. I'm going to upload this and I'll come back. Much to be learned up here. If not visually, just in simple conversation. But we get to get both. I'll give it 1 minute past disappearing, which is in about 10 seconds. And we'll see if we can hear anything. Any closing statements, so to speak.
station on 2 for T2.
There we go.
With you on 2.
Looks like it's charging nominally. The green light on the cobalt brick is on. Let's see how long that.
Exactly. This is the same troubleshooting we did yesterday. See if this holds longer, and if not, we'll be talking about other options. But let's see, how about the T2 data LED?
Yeah. Flashing.
Okay, very good. So if you would please, next step is just to open the T2 software GUI on the SSC and check that the clue is connected.
All right, we're going to be leaving. "15 seconds. Okay, I'll be back.